Hi, this is Mrs. Darling, and today I'm going to show you how to use destinyquest to find a book in the library. So first you want to go to the Stafford Primary School website, and under the Library tab, there is destinyquest Online Library Catalog. You could do this from your Chromebook or from an iPad. Click there, and it will bring you to the destinyquest page. And here's the search bar. So I'm going to be looking for a book called Magic Puppy. So if I were to just put dog into the search bar, I'm going to get 825 different titles that are related to dog, from nonfiction to graphic novels and everything. So I need to be a little bit more specific and refine my search. So if I'm looking for Magic Puppy, maybe I'll try putting just puppy in. Okay, that helped. Now I only got 103 titles, but I still... it would take me a long time to scroll through every page to find Magic Puppy. So I'm going to write Magic Puppy this time and see what comes up. Okay, now I have 7 titles that has come up, and this is the book I'm looking for. It is in, and I would find it in the Easy Chapter Book section, and there's a Magic Puppy or Puppy bin. So that's where it would be located. So this time I'm going to show you a new way to search, and I'm going to use advanced search, and I'm going to look for a book about football, and I want an NFL book, but I don't want anything with soccer in it. So click go. Okay, now I found that we have 6 books in our library that is about NFL football with no soccer. This book is out, but we have the other books available right now. If I'm looking for this title, it's going to be 796.33 is our football section in nonfiction. So you'd find all football books in that area. And then 921 is a biography, because this book is about Tony Romo, a football player, and you would find it in the 921 biography section. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to do some use destinyquest to find a book and practice finding. After you do a search, I want you to go and look for the book and see if you can find it in our library. Okay, thank you.